Hi, this is Lauren Lake, Judge of Paternity Court, and you're watching MadameNoire. As Judge of Paternity Court, it baffles me how often people don't understand their rights, and especially men. And to be very honest, laws as it relates to children and custody and paternity often are very skewed towards the woman because that's just the way it's always been. But it's important for men to know their rights too. So as Judge of Paternity Court, I thought about what are some of the things men need to understand about paternity, their rights. There's a difference between being the biological father and the legal father. You can be the biological father and the legal father of the child, meaning you've signed the birth certificate for your child, you are the biological father, it's one and the same. However, you can be the biological father of the child but not recognized as the legal father of the child because someone else has signed the birth certificate for a child that's ultimately determined is your biological child. Even though the DNA is there, under the law, the person named on the birth certificate is recognized as the legal father. Understanding the fact that if you are in a hospital room and you have any doubt about whether or not you're the biological father of the child, you cannot and you should not sign a birth certificate. It may hurt people's feelings. You may feel like you look like a low-down dirty dog today, Satan's sidekick. I don't care, because once you sign it, you're signing on to be recognized as the legal father. You will be responsible for child support. A lot of men don't know that. They just think, oh, I'm going to be nice to this baby and sign this birth certificate and just do what I'm supposed to do. And the next thing you know, they're responsible for child support, and they go, well, wait, I really don't know if it's my biological child. I was just trying to be nice. No. This is one time where you don't play Mr. Nice Guy unless you're willing to pay. I hear this often in our courtroom. A young woman will say, well, I'm not letting him see his child because he has not paid any of his child support. He doesn't even pay for this child. Why should I let him see the child? People don't understand, and men especially don't understand, that those are two separate rights and obligations. You do have the obligation to take care of a child that you have fathered financially. You'll be responsible for child support. But if you're behind on your child support and you fall in arrears, that doesn't mean that you can't see your child. You still have the right to see your child. And that's an important right that men need to understand. Men often think that it's always the women that start a paternity action, that if a woman thinks you're the father of the child, then the next thing you know, they begin a paternity action and they bring you into court. If you believe you are the biological father of a child, then you should seek legal counsel, because you can petition the court for a DNA test as well. As a man, you're not without any rights, and you have to learn what those rights are so you can empower yourself under the law. Men need to understand that once you are named the legal father, biological father, and you want to be present in a child's life, that responsibility continues. And sometimes I can tell that our men in our courtroom, they don't know how to be fathers, maybe because they didn't have one. Parenting classes are available for you as well. There are men organizations there to help you figure out how to be a great father, and if you have legal issues, how to help you solve them. Seek the support you need as well. It's not just about the mothers, the fathers matter as well.